The question that was asked by a young researcher was, why do we need to count cells in a human body? Because counting has a direct relation with disease diagnosis. The first serious attempt to estimate the total number of human cells came in 1977, when researchers proposed that the human body contains about 100 trillion cells. But that estimate came from scaling assumptions, using body mass and an average cell size. Still, that 100 trillion figure became the accepted reference for nearly 4 decades. Long before trillion-scale estimates, scientists were already counting cells in blood using a hemocytometer, manually tallying them square by square under a microscope. Later came automated hematology analyzers, which could rapidly measure red and white blood cell concentrations. Then, flow cytometry transformed precision further, firing lasers at cells one by one and analyzing tens of thousands per second. In 2013, Eva Bianconi and colleagues published a systematic re-evaluation. Their results dramatically revised the long-standing number. They calculated the human body contains about 37 trillion cells. Then in 2016, Sender, Fuchs, and Milo refined the estimate further, showing the number is likely closer to about 30 trillion, with an estimated uncertainty of roughly plus minus 20 to 30%. But why does this matter? Well, to a student, it might be trivial. To a scientist, it is foundational. You cannot define disease without first defining a normal. Cancer is uncontrolled cell growth. Neurodegenerative disorders involve cell loss. Anemia is a reduction in red blood cells. Leukemia is an overproduction of abnormal white blood cells. Without knowing how many cells should be there, you cannot recognize when the numbers go wrong. So next time you see a blood test marked normal, remember that line wasn't drawn casually. It took more than a century of incremental counting, from hard counting grids under microscopes to laser-driven cytometers and full-body anatomical modeling. They turned the human body from a vague estimate into a measurable system. If you are in STEM medicine or just curious about experiments, machines, and devices, subscribe.